Right, we have another unboxing, and I'm pretty sure that this is a 4K dash cam, but I'm not 100% sure because I know they said they're going to send it to me, but I waited a few weeks before it actually turned up, and hopefully this is it because I didn't have a tracker for it. It was tracked, but they never gave me the tracker. So this is how it came. It's well packed. I'll give them that. It's well packed. So with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them open. I've already cut some of the sides because I was going to open it and have a look just to make sure first. And then I thought, nah, we could do a bit of a mystery one here. So it'd be interesting. So if I'm right, it should be a 4K dash cam. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm hoping I'm right. So what have we got? Am I right? Am I right? I'm not sure what it is. Well, it is. It is. I'm right. I'm right. Yes, this is a 4K dash cam. Thank you very much. This was sent to me by a lady named Jane from her company, and it says there Tiglon. Tiglon? Does that say Tiglon? I think that says Tiglon. Let's have a look. So yeah, this is a 4K, yeah, 4K dash cam. Well packaged. Not sure what it says. So looking forward to testing this one out. 4K. Let's have a look at this baby. I have seen some videos on this because I believe she actually made some videos herself, and it looked quite impressive. So I'm trying to figure out how to get it open nicely and neatly. That's the right word. So come on, baby, come on, let's get her out. So 4K, so it's got air vents in the top, helping it stay cool, I would imagine. Yep, 2160p, 4K, and I'm not sure what that says there. It says frames per second, obviously, but I'm not sure if that's a number or what. Can't quite make that one out. So it looks like maybe a microphone there. Nice big camera, sticky, so you can just stick it to the window. So that's your 4K camera. This will be all your wiring, yeah, loads of wiring. We will be setting it up. So cigarette lighter or mains for your car, and the adapter, USB adapter, which will go in the side. Yeah, goes in the side. Right, that's a memory slot. Oh, hang on. Let's have a read. So you've got AV in, TF, so that's your memory card, and the mic. So that's your mic there. Oh, weird. So what's this? Might be for the rear camera. Is there a rear camera as well? I think there may be, or maybe not. What's in the bag? Oh, there it is. It's in here. It's in this bag. Tear it open. So plenty of cable, which you need for when you put it in the car. Right, so there's your mains, and there's your other camera. So that is fixed into there. But I'm taking it, you can just turn it and unlock it. But we will be setting it up and giving it a thorough test. Not sure what that is. That looks like an aerial to me. And I could be wrong, but I could be right. Like I said, we will be testing it. So yeah. So that will go into, I don't know where. I've no idea. We will have a good read and find out exactly what I need to do, because I don't know. Trying to think out. I'm trying to think where that goes in. So that goes in. Does that go in there? It doesn't go in there, does it? That, oh, that will go in there. Like so. Ah, there it is. I found it. I found it. It will go in there. There you go. Ah, very good. So hopefully we'll do it upside down like that. That will stick to the window. I am looking forward to testing this out. With that, what I'm going to do is do a temporary install into my car, format the memory card, give her a day test and a night test, and have a look at the quality of the video. Right, before I tell you what I think of this dash cam, a couple of things I need to explain to you. When I was doing the unboxing, I didn't realise that this was a pre-production. It wasn't until I contacted them and said, I've got no manual and I've got no sticky for the rear camera. They said, sorry about that, but you have a pre-production one. I went, oh, okay, that's all right. And they said, in the final version, you will get everything you need. You will get a manual, you will get the sticky. I went, okay, that's fine, I'm happy with that. I actually worked out how to navigate around the menu anyway, it was quite easy. And a couple of other things I found out, it's magnetic. I didn't realise that at that time, but yeah, magnetic. So you can leave this in the car and take the camera out and plonk it in. This has built-in GPS, which I thought was really good actually, and you can set it to a maximum speed limit. Say for instance you're driving kilometres and you set it to a limit of 100, it will start beeping at you once you go above 100 to warn you you're going over that speed, which I thought was a good idea. You can adjust it to different ones and you can actually turn it off as well if it starts to annoy you. So something to bear in mind. And one other thing, they gave me one link of where you can buy it. So I do apologise. At the moment, as far as I know, that is the only place you can buy it. And I will stick it in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And as soon as I find out if they're selling it on Amazon or eBay, I will add links in the video description so you can go and check it out. So with that, what do I think? I think the quality of video was excellent. I've done no adjustments on the quality of the video. It's 4K, I left the colour, contrast, brightness, I left everything like that, I left alone. The only thing I'd done was adjust the cut and paste. I've done cut and paste just to bring the video to a nice little length so it wasn't too long and it wasn't too short. And I played a bit of music, even though it's got a built-in microphone. I thought you'd rather listen to a bit of music rather than to the microphone. The quality of sound I thought was also very good, nice and clear, no distortion that I could hear anyway. So yeah, all round excellent, first class. Definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. 4K, very good quality.